Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, stone crafts ideas. So viewers, welcome to the crafts ideas. In this video we are going to make some beautiful stone art and crafts. Stones are simple, nature and easy to find. With just a little paint and creativity, we can turn them into amazing decoration. So let's begin. First idea is stone paintings. Take a smooth stone and wash them well. Paint them with bright color. You can make flowers, butterflies, bird or even cartoon faces. Children love these crafts and it is very relaxing too. Second idea is stone garden. Take a small tray or pot, fill it with sand or salt, place paint stone inside to make a mini garden. You can also paint stone as tiny house, trees or animals. I will look like a small fairy garden. Next idea is stone coaster. Take felt stone and paint them with a design like handles, flowers or simple dots and lines. After paints, cover them with clear varnish. Now you have handmade coaster for teacups and coffee mugs. Another fun idea is a stone design. Another idea is stone pages. Take small stone, paint them in cute shapes like ladybug, beans or hearts, then glue an attachment to the back. Stick them on your fridge and they will look very colorful. You can also make a stone centerpiece. Take a glass bowl and fill it with different size or paint stones. Add a candle in the middle. This will make a beautiful table decoration. Another idea is stone name art. Write name or positive words like love, peace and joy on stone. You can keep them in a basket or give them as small gifts. These stones brings positive energy and look very nice. You can also try stone wall art. Take a canvas or wooden pot, glue different stone in paint patterns like a tree and family or simple shapes. Paint around them to make it more colorful. This become a beautiful wall hanging. All these ideas are very easy, creative and low cost.